Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 9th of September. And first of all, national news. Ready for dialogue with Pakistan if it stops terrorism in Jammu and Kashmir, Defense Minister. Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar appealed to states to adopt national education policy. India started registration of hand transplantation patients. Randhir Singh became first Indian to be elected as OCA president. Center to launch rankings for working women's hostels. Pooja Khedkar discharged from Indian Administrative Service. Anti-drone systems deployed in Manipur to enhance security amid rise in attacks. Andhra Pradesh police donated one day's salary amounting to 12 crore to CMRF for flood relief. Now, international news. US reported first human bird flu case with no known animal exposure. Russian military drone crashed on NATO territory, Latvia said. US and UK spy chiefs praised Ukraine's audacious Russia incursion and called for a Gaza ceasefire. Bangladesh to take necessary steps to extradite deposed PM Sheikh Hasina from India. Yemen's Houthi rebel claim they shot down another US MQ-9 drone. Now some sports news. England all-rounder Moeen Ali retired from international cricket. Arena Sabalenka defeated Jessica Pegula to win thrilling US Open Women's Final. Defending champions, India beat China 3-0 in Asian Champions Trophy opener. Business related news. Tuhin Kant Pandey appointed Finance Secretary. GST Council to deliberate on taxation of insurance premium report on online gaming. And deadline for beneficial ownership of FPI holdings ends on September 9. Digitalization efforts reforms boosted Kerala's BRAP ranking, Industry Minister. And that's all in news. Thank you.